So hey guys, welcome to my channel HackingVibes. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get website data using union-based SQL injection by get method. So first of all, step 1 would be to find a site. We have to find sites whose URL ends with .php question mark id is equal to, just like I have this site vepakistan.com. So I have loaded the URL over here. This is the hack bar window. It helps in us in hacking of all day. And why we use my Firefox is just because Google Chrome encrypts URL. So how to check if this site is vulnerable or not? Just add a simple single quote and execute. So you are seeing you have an error in your SQL syntax which shows the website is vulnerable. And now we will use order by command. Order by 1 minus we have step 1 in which we have to find the site, and step 2 check vulnerable or not. It's vulnerable, so we are on step 3, use order by 1. On order by 1 it should work properly or load properly, like this is loading. So now this it means it has a minimum of 1 column. Now order by 100, unknown clause 100 in order clause, that means there are not 100 columns. Order by 10, that means it has more than 10. Order by 25, it is less than 25, so I would reduce it by 1. Not it has less than 24. So it is loading on 20th and not on 21st, which shows it has 20 columns. Now we have determined the number of columns, so now we are on step 6, the union command. Now we just have to put union, select the number of columns, and then from information underscore schema dot tables, where table underscore schema is equal to data is. So now I have entered the query. Now I am explaining this why I used union. Then select this, and then what is information underscore schema, table underscore schema, and database and close brackets. Starting on from database and close brackets, it symbolizes current database. If you have minimum knowledge of MySQL, just a minimum knowledge of MySQL, you have known union command is used when you have to use two SQL queries simultaneously together. And then this is the second query, starting on from select this is the second query, and we have 20 columns and I have printed 20 from information underscore schema dot tables. Information underscore schema contains two tables, which consist of a table which includes all names of the table existing in MySQL database. And table underscore schema is a foreign key in information underscore schema dot columns. So executing this variable, we will get .c. Showing 13 over here, 14, 11, 9, 12, 10, 19, 18. So what are these? These are vulnerable columns. So what can you do with this 13? Just remove this 13 and check the database name. Simply check the database name. Visit Pakistan. Okay, so let's check who is the user of this database. Test1 at the localhost. Okay, I want this to be printed over here. Will it print? Yes, it will. Just convert it into string. You're seeing group name is equal to HackingVibes. That's too good. Okay, coming back to work. Let's take test version. What is the version of the MySQL server? It's 10.1.38 Maria database, which is bigger version than MySQL 5. So information underscore schema exists and it will work. So what's the next step? Let's check. We have our vulnerable columns. Okay, so what if vulnerable columns doesn't print on the page? Just simply add this minus here like this. It is not necessary because in this website it is not necessary because data is printed. Okay, so what's a step 7? It is group underscore concat table underscore name and other things. So what is this group underscore concat and bracket table underscore? What we will do now is print the table names of this database. So these are all table names: carroting, city, contact, day by day, description, hotel information, and so on. So I would go with links. I want links dot. I would use here print links, convert it into string by putting double quote. Okay, so now we want column name. So we will use table underscore name here, and that is links. We want column names, so we would use column table, and what we want to print is column underscore name. So title, URL, description, name, email, relink. I would print data of all this. Let's check on which step. So let's get the data. This we have column names over here, and we are on step 9. So what we have to do is remove all this. Okay, and we know the table name, we know the column names. This is a simple query now. Instead of group underscore concat, this we would print all the columns, and from each table it's links. Add a minus. Let's add a column in between title and URL so it doesn't mix up. The data should not mix up over here. Yeah. And adding the semicolon with every use. This. Now convert this semicolon into hex value. Hex value of semicolon is 0x3b, and if you use colon, it is 0x3a. 0x3a is the hex value of colon, simple colon. Okay, just this. So I will execute this query. Okay, so where is the problem? Now execute. This is all the data virtual e-tourism portal of this, all the links present in that links table. Now disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, so if you do anything wrong with this knowledge, you are yourself responsible for it. Happy hack vibing, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too. And you can get your personal queries on my Instagram handle, the Tushar Baweja, for my that's my personal handle, and the HackingVibes is the channel Instagram handle. Thank you and have a nice day.